You've probably seen ads for the Lunaptera Noctiluca, this glowing bioluminescent lamp that promises to light up your space like a magical underwater world. But is it real as amazing as it looks, or just a flashy scam? Quick disclaimer before I begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Lunaptera Noctiluca is marketed as a decorative glowing light inspired by marine bioluminescence. It's supposed to be calming, beautiful, and perfect for your desk or bedroom. Sounds great in theory, but here's the reality. There's no official store, no presence on major platforms, and no Trustpilot rating either. The few articles out there look more like promotional posts than real reviews. There's also no clear info about who makes it or ships it, which feels sketchy. Honestly, Lunaptera Noctiluca might just be another aesthetic product with a lot of hype but not much substance. Without trusted reviews or proof it even works as shown, it's hard to fully believe the claims. It's not necessarily a scam, but it definitely feels risky. If you love the look, maybe wait until it shows up on a more trustworthy site or skip it entirely. What do you think? Would you give Lunaptera a shot or pass on it? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more real talk on trending products.